Oop, I broke it. Too much heat. It's okay. We're gonna bring this one here. And we're gonna put it all the way there. And here we go. Now this shit is broken and hot. So there is our fixed. Now let's test it. Surface, surface. Surface, surface, where are you? 3 days without using my Surface. That sucks. And I don't want to spend $85 with another charger. So let's get the cable going. We connect this one. We connect the power.